Hello everyone. Today my mom will cook flash fried pig stomach and sour pickle. For first, she puts the whole pig stomach into boiling water. When its color turns gray, give it a ice bath. This is the key step to make the texture crispy. Slice cut it into strips and massage with a little bit of salt, fish sauce, and black pepper. Prepare other ingredients including Chinese sour pickles, some garlic, a piece of ginger, and some Chinese celery stems. Place the wok over the stove. When it's fully heated, pour cooking oil and add pig stomach strips. Keep stirring over high heat to shorten the cooking time. When they are almost done, remove from the wok. Pour some more oil to fry garlic and ginger. Let them release fragrance. And then add pickles. Fry the pickles to half dry. Put the pig stomach back and add the celery stems, which will bring fresh fragrance to balance the sour and salty flavor. Stir for about 20 more seconds and done. The only drawback of this dish is it's a little bit chewy. Other than that, it's very tasty.